Regardless of your achievement, paying attention to financial achievements may be simple because there's always an opportunity for growth. Many often wait to celebrate their accomplishments until they have paid their debts or earned $1 million income. While setting ambitious goals for yourself has benefits, it's more common for many minor victories over time to add financial fulfillment. Celebrating and recognizing these little triumphs along the way is essential since doing so allows you to continue to maintain on top of how you're progressing. But before we proceed, hit that subscribe button and enable the notification bell, ensuring you never miss a valuable knowledge. So let's jump right in. An emergency fund that has been complete funding is a noteworthy accomplishment. Although it is not the most spectacular achievement, saving sufficient funds for unforeseen costs is crucial. The matter of when a crisis cost will occur instead of if one is more urgent. One may tackle these unanticipated events without starting a disastrous avalanche of financial problems by having a sizable quantity of money saved up. It is impossible to emphasize the security and peace of mind of having a healthy emergency fund. One of the most common errors people make in their financial journey is failing to create a sizable emergency fund. Anyone seeking to improve their finances significantly must handle these critical milestones. Even if it might not seem like it at first, achieving the milestone of having between 3 and 6 months worth of spending saved in an emergency fund or savings account is a fantastic milestone. This accomplishment offers crucial safety net and lays a strong groundwork for financial security. Recognizing the importance of this milestone and actively working towards it is a wise and responsible financial decision. A fresh set of limitless options appears as you generate income passively from investing. Your money starts to work for you, bringing in additional revenue from your usual job. This implies that, in theory, it is possible to make money while you sleep. At first glance, the sum could appear small or even ridiculously tiny. However, the secret is to realize the importance of interest compounding and saving. Even a tiny amount of money can add up as time passes if you allow your investment to expand and multiply. Consider the scenario to demonstrate the outstanding advantages of compound interest. If you begin with $1, which is twice in price every day for 30 days, you will have an incredible of $5.4 million at the very end. You'll probably feel excited and motivated to keep investing when you see the astonishing expansion of initial money you invested. One significant advantage of purchasing a home is that your housing bills become comparatively set. This change is a significant accomplishment. Even if a home ownership costs are similar to leasing, owning a home has drawbacks and can be expensive, making it inappropriate for everyone. It is vital to highlight. But if you buy a property, you won't be concerned about the yearly rent rises. Owning a home expenses can be broadly classified into two distinct groups. A combination of variable and fixed cost with home ownership produces a unique financial dynamic. Consider splitting your housing expenses in half. The first half represents your mortgage payment and annual cost with an interest rate set in stone. Throughout your mortgage, this part of your payment won't change. Variable costs comprise an other half of spending, including insurance, taxes, services, and upkeep. These fluctuating expenses may change monthly or yearly depending on the situation. A significant accomplishment that offers many advantages is buying an automobile with money. First, it distinguishes you from many others by demonstrating your capacity to resist the temptation to purchase a brand new car or finance one beyond your means. Deciding to pay cash for a high-quality vehicle is a wise financial move. Avoiding financing choices relieves you of the strain of regular auto payments and the associated interest costs. Your ability to deploy your money toward other financial objectives or unanticipated expenses is increased by being debt-free. The second benefit of paying cash for a car is that you stop making monthly car payments because you own the vehicle altogether. Thanks to your newfound independence, you can allocate the funds to other parts of your budget. Even while you will still need to put money aside for the car's replacement in the coming years, this expense will be far less expensive than the other. The idea of purchasing a brand new vehicle is frequently exalted, but it's crucial to remember that many purchasers end up with significant automobile payments. Initially, Initially, buying a brand new car could appear alluring due to the possibility of lower maintenance costs. However, it's crucial to consider the extra costs associated with funding, amortization, revenue taxes, and insurance. The total expense of owning a car generally exceeds one usual spends on keeping a solid used car when all these aspects are considered. An important milestone that can be readily and affordably attained is raising one's credit score. You may need clarification on significance of your credit score and believe it only affects your ability to get loans more money. Although that is correct, having solid credit gives you access to many more benefits than just better borrowing power. It creates a universe of possibilities. When you have a high credit score, financial companies view you as more suitable customer and will provide you with lower costs lending opportunities. This gives you additional chances to use known beneficial debts that can use support efforts to accumulate money. Although it's not a requirement, having high credit score gives you another financial weapon in your choices. Economic well-being does not necessarily need having high credit score. Lowering your mortgage payment and interest rates improves your prospect of buying a property, especially when you still need to. Financing might simply the investment procedure for you if you consider doing so. You can loan money rather than paying everything up front, then invest the entire amount in one go. You can invest your funds elsewhere using this method, earning larger returns. The most significant benefit is that you can carry out the strategy for little no money. The most important thing is to ensure that you pay off your loans on time, which will help you keep a solid credit history and enhance your financial situation. The key to maintaining steady income is earning more money than you spend. Yet many people need help. Even though spending less than you make seem straightforward, many people need help to maintain their spending below their income. Although it seems silly, they frequently succumb to the pressure of easy financing and the desire of immediate gratification when making frivolous purchases. They thereby find themselves in a dangerous circumstance. However, if you keep your spending under your income, you will be more likely to repress the impulse to buy every appealing object that grabs your attention. Being self-sufficient and having the ability to control your circumstances is genuinely remarkable. It demonstrates that you possess a strong sense of independence and are not easily swayed by external influences. Additionally, this trait enables you to discover practical methods to economize and eliminate unnecessary expenses from your budget. However, achieving this level of financial prudence is easier said than done. Nonetheless, reaching such a milestone is significant and indicates a promising future. Even if your primary work or single 9-to-5 employment still provides the majority of your revenue, expanding your sources of money can increase your sense of satisfaction. Your degree of happiness will increase once you receive your first dollar from the new source of income. Starting a side business and making money is a significant accomplishment, even if it's just a little. It demonstrates your desires to look into other ways to make money, minimizing your dependency exclusively on your employer's income. And it also allows you to diversify your financial sources. Although these modest side enterprises may not initially make sizable profit, they frequently have more tremendous potential for expansion and success than a typical 9-to-5 work. Your side business may have capacity to grow, in which case earning potential is basically limitless. You'll see how important it is to diversify your income when you contrast it with your primary source of income. Although having $10,000 in a net worth may not be as impressive as having $1 million, it's still a major accomplishment that shows your commitment to enhancing your financial status. Hitting $10,000 is a milestone that deserves to be celebrated. Even though it may take most people several years to build up a net worth of $1 million, a $10,000 net worth needs deliberate effort and sound money management. It represents active money management and financially responsible decision making on your part. Creating a net worth of $10,000 or more needs effort and commitment instead of just happening upon reach. It's crucial to keep in mind that unsecured debts like educational loans, credit card debt, mortgages, and medical bills can negatively impact your net worth. The overall net worth is directly affected by these debts. Therefore, it's It's all the more impressive when you still manage to build one despite these difficulties. Achieving a net worth of $10,000 marks a turning point that denotes advancement and prepares the way for rapid growth. We frequently ignore little accomplishments since they might not seem necessary, but it's important to recognize your accomplishments and enjoy your financial achievements before you reach multimillionaire status. Big accomplishments are frequently the product of multiple, more minor actions and smaller goals being met along the road. Recognizing progress requires persistent work, and commitment is crucial. Additionally, if you don't routinely track your accomplishments, you can unintentionally alter the goalposts, making it more challenging to acknowledge and experience a sense of pleasure. Taking your desire to become a billionaire as an example, your viewpoint could change as you can advance and gain wealth. Once you hit the millionaire milestone, you can stop seeing it as a noteworthy accomplishment. Instead, you can wait until you have earned $5 million before letting yourself rejoice. It's important to note that these milestones so that you always keep sight of your accomplishments. Financial issues may arise in the years to come if you entirely disregard your financial goals, and it appears you need to improve your finances substantially. Thanks for watching. Until next time.